Hello and welcome, everyone. In today's video, we're excited to introduce you to what's new in Vitepos version 3.3.0. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and stay updated with our latest updates. And if you've already subscribed, thank you for being a part of our community. Now, let's dive in and see what's new in version 3.3.0. We've integrated WooCommerce payment, so now you can use any WooCommerce supported payment method during checkout. Introducing the Restaurant Basic Mode, a simple and efficient way to manage restaurant operations. Added the end of the day, EOD, summary feature right on your dashboard for easy daily insights. We've implemented WooCommerce Cost of Goods integration, now you can use it as the purchase price in Vitepos. Added support for GTIN, UPC, EAN, and ISBN barcode fields directly inside Vitepos. Introducing the brand new category module to help organize your products better. Added the product attribute module, giving you more control and flexibility over product details. A new price column has been added to printed receipts for clearer customer information. And finally, we've added a resolve conflict option in the settings module for smoother operation management. That's all for this update. Don't forget to like, comment, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.